Joe Biden on Memorial Day. Confusion, yawning, and not knowing how to salute. Let's dive into the details, shall we? Joe Biden on Monday participated in a wreath-laying ceremony at the tomb of the unknown soldier at Arlington Cemetery in Virginia. A confused Joe Biden, mouth agape, yawned and didn't know how to salute as he shuffled around at the Memorial Day cemetery. Joe Biden also delivered an angry speech at the 155th National Memorial Day observance at Memorial Amphitheater. We're the only nation in the world built on the idea that we're all created equal, Biden shouted, but we haven't always lived up to it. How inspiring. Yeah, it's interesting, this guy. He can't just ever do an event without gaffing. It's just there's always a gaff every single time. You think you get it right sometimes just by accident, right? But that's just my opinion. What is your opinion on this story? Please let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for daily news updates, hit that notification bell, and share this video to help spread the news. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.